Alright, so when I came in from H2O, literally nothing happened until I got to the driveway and somebody was parked like literally right here in the dark, so I couldn't see their car. So when I was coming in the driveway, I like had to slam on my brakes and turn and hit the lip and it came off. But I'm gonna put it back on later. But I put the bazreias on the Skyline, and well, I need to put the lip on first to see how I really feel about it, but it's okay. Fitment's okay. I'm gonna air it out and then I guess we'll like see, but give me a second. So yeah, I mean, with the lip I'll really see, but I have to pull, where's my finger at? I have to pull this out a little more because on this side, as you guys saw in the H2O videos, it tucks. I actually raised this one a bit, but it tucks, so I have to pull that other side right now, and then I have to go to work, so yeah. Alright, so I have the bazreias on and I'm on my way to work, and these have a lot, and I can't stress it enough, a lot of stretch, and they're 40 profile and they ride so much better than the 35. I don't know if it's because like they were Nankings or what, but actually no, that doesn't make sense because I've had Nankings before and they were 40 profile and they rode the same. So the difference between 40 profile and 35 is vastly different, and you really notice how it drives. Like they absorb bumps so much better. These are 225 40s on an 11 in the rear, and on an 11 and a half, and the like as you just heard, the bump that was literally nothing. And the Cosmos are 255 35 on an 11, and they're a lot meatier than these. Like this one shows lip on the front and the rear like a lot, especially the rear, and these ride really good. So when I tell you guys that the profile makes a lot of a difference, I mean it, because 5 millimeter difference in profile and 30 millimeters in width difference between the two, the cars are it's completely different. And I actually noticed that I believe the bazreias are lighter, which is weird. I thought the Cosmos wheels would have been lighter, but yeah. Also, not to mention, the car pulls a lot harder with these wheels on. Like they're actually noticeably different. Alright, so I'm just gonna end this video out with a quick like summary of H2oi and my experience and the drive and everything like that, and then there's gonna be a lot of videos on H2oi because I have a lot of stuff. But for right now, first, if I can summarize it in one phrase, H2oi is basically like Project X for car guys. Like, it's just a whole bunch of madness for a whole weekend. Like burnouts and arrests and fights and liquor and food and everything. Like, it's just really just a real crazy weekend. And yeah, I enjoyed it. Granted, like, I don't really drink or anything like that. Like, I used to, like, when I was younger, but I don't really care for that. And I just turned 27 today, like today's October 2nd, so it is my birthday right now. But it's just like, yeah, like, I kind of grew out of that, but like the ratchetness that took place, like the burnouts and everything, I have so many burnout clips and stuff like that. But yeah, h2oi, in summation, it is Project X for car guys, and it's super lit. And every car guy should at least go once. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. If you have to fly out, fly out. If you have to drive out, drive out. But just do it. But yeah, so the drive, it was about 500 miles each way. So that's 1,000 miles total. In a loud, bagged race car. And there was not one issue. Besides, when I got there, the belt skipped over a tooth, but it wasn't bad because I had my bros fixed it. Shout out to them. And then literally when I came back and I got to my driveway, that was the only issue. And somebody like tucked in the corner and this is going to be in another clip of the video too. Like, not the actual thing that happened, but I already explained it. But it's just like, I hit the front lip on the sidewalk because like somebody parked like tucked over into the corner behind the bushes in the yard, and I knocked my front lip off. So I'm probably gonna see if I can get to a shop today, throw the lip on, and I'll probably just do the diffuser as well and call it a day. And as you guys see in the clips that are, I don't know if I'm gonna put them before this or after, but the Kranze bazreias are on and the Cosmos are off. I'm gonna sell the Cosmos. The bazreias, the car drives really nice on them, but I don't know how I feel about it, so I have to put the lip and diffuser on, and then I'm going to decide if I'm going to keep them or like if I'm going to get rid of them like now. But they are for sale. 1,600 are best offer. 18 by 10 plus 5 in the front, 215/40 18s, 18 by 11.5 plus 0, I believe, and they're 225/40. So there's quite a bit of stretch all around. They're like stance boy wheels, so yeah. And they need a polish. I don't know if I'm going to actually polish them, but they're really easy to do. Just Meguiar's magnet aluminum polish, and you rub it down and then you rub it off and it's good. But anyhow, the drive was great. Grueling, loud, creaky, but good. There wasn't any issues. Oh, actually, my rear air strut like got loose, but it's not like just the adjustable part, but it's not going to adjust itself because it can't move because it's like bolted in. So I just have to get another alignment. But besides that, the drive was perfect. The experience was great. I had a really nice room. So I have no complaints about the weekend at all, besides the fact that I didn't record enough and the fact that I'm like getting a little on the older side, so I slept a lot as opposed to going outside during the really, really ratchet times. But next year, gonna be going down in either the E36 or the Skyline or whatever else I get in the meantime. Like, well, like between then and now, because you never know, I might grab like a r35 or r8 or who knows. Like, there's a lot of things that I'm looking at that I'm gonna try to get, but you know, guess you guys just have to see when that comes. But for now, I'm just gonna throw this video together and upload it because I have to edit so much stuff. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to h2o, let me know how your experience was. And if you have any pictures of my car, DM me on Instagram at IMSCHWAGGY. I'm Swaggy. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. 2020 Super Burnout. Just H2O things. Damn, that's a nice blue.